Have a lot of money, but think like Beetlejuice. Have a lifetime supply of pizza, but you can only eat it with a fork and knife. Get this island, but you have to live there with the first person who appears when you click yellow square and more. Be young forever, but you can tell us your current battery percentage. Have a magical talking pet, but it insists on reciting Shakespearean sonnets whenever you go for a walk. Be the world's best detective, but you can only solve crimes that involve missing socks. Have eternal wealth, but constant bad luck.